pulling your sweater, Mom?
Huh?
It was pulling your sweater?
It was pulling like, yeah.
It's right in my scarf.
That big old teeth.
This is weird to walk. I wouldn't have thought to walk down here to go feed goats.
Well, we're gonna go feed goats.
Yeah, it's really cool through here.
This is so
This is the
cute.
way I would use it.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna go feed goats.
Get some goat food?
Round and
You gonna get some goat food? You gonna
Yeah,
feed a
I'm
goat?
gonna go attack them.
Well, Buttercup's like 9 years old.
You had 25 cents.
Nom nom nom. Nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Oh, well, now you're mad at me.
Just give them me.
playing together. Look at. Remember when Buttercup used to be all feisty like that?
Mm-hmm. Corn maze in the dark, y'all. As long as you stay behind Jessica and them. Oh.
Watch out, man.
We don't have a map.
Can you see, Mums?
Yeah.
Okay.
This map is not helping.
I'm back here.
We need to be more concerned about Mom. She's slow.
I'm right behind Mandy.
You're slow.
Mandy's phone's blind.
Oh, sorry.
Maybe old, but I'm not that slow yet.
All
Where are
right.
the numbers at?
All right, bud, come here.
I'm getting in the middle. I'm not
Okay,
going back.
listen.
What?
I'm gonna yell Mulder and you yell Scully, okay? This is my dream to yell this in corn. Are you ready? I'm gonna be like, Mulder! Now you say
Nah.
Scully! Do it!
Fine.
Are you ready?
No.
That means you're Mulder.
Aw. I'm
Mulder!
not gonna do that.
Where are you at in the genetically mutated corn?
Ow!
Whoa!
Mandy, have your dream
I
been
just about bit
ruined?
the dust, baby.
Have your dream been ruined since I didn't say it?
Mulder!